I do admit that being hidden by skin is the overview of this mess I'm in. Easy to stay behind what cannot be defined as anything other than a good place to begin. And for reasons unknown, I say this to you. And me could be done with this infinity. Instead of unraveling, we should be time traveling. But it's delicate, oh so definite. You wear life's pale skin, you bruise easily.